This is a 10 kVA system. We are using iPower Plus. We are having a 10 kVA system here. Then what you are seeing is that we synchronize them. What I mean by synchronization is that we parallel. There are 5 kVA anywhere, but because of the new technology that the manufacturers are coming out with, we are able to parallel this to 5 kVA to give us 10 kVA because of the high load consumption by the end user. So at the end of the day, we have a 10 kVA system here for this user. He's using it to power the entire house. We have about 16 panels on top of this roof, and the 16 panels is the PV that is charging this battery. As you can see, we have about eight batteries here. We have two banks of battery, four, and we parallel them. This is anyway, this is a 48-volt system, so we are having two banks of battery. We parallel it so that the duration of usage of this battery will be increased. You can see it. The battery made is Quanta. It's a very nice product. We have used it for a very long time. It has never for once disappointed us. This system, we installed it 5 years back and it's still working till today. So you need to patronize us. We are professional in the field. A trial will convince you. So that is how we do. As you can see, this is the battery rack. It gives the battery a very fixed, a firm position in place. Instead of using a wood to put the batteries, we prefer to construct this battery rack to incorporate the battery. So this is the system is working properly. We came to correct a small fault. The voltage, the PHCM is very low, and it's giving the system a very a stressful time charging the battery. So we came to disengage this system so that we can only use the PV to charge the system. Well done, my boys. Thank you.